Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This week I have a product review for you. I recently purchased this electric kettle and it's by the brand Topwit. And I love the little thing. I've always wanted one because I thought it would be handy to have and just put off ever getting one. But recently a good opportunity came up. I found a really good deal on this one and I took the plunge. So I just wanted to show it off to y'all a little bit real quick. And I'll have the product link in the description box below. But anyway, it's very simple. So you have a basic on and off switch on the handle. Now when you place this on the base to heat the water, once the water comes up to a boil, it will kick off automatically and throw the switch back into the off position. I think that's a great feature, and that keeps your water kettle from overheating or boil until it boils dry and tears up your kettle. Another thing is how the lid is made. It has a little push button here and you simply just press in and raise up the lid. It has a stainless interior, which is nice. Now this isn't insulated, so when you heat water up in this, you're going to have to be careful because if you touch the sides, you can still get burnt. It also has a power light that tells you when the kettle is turned on and in operation, and this will also kick off once your water has come up to temperature and started boiling. So there's not a lot to tell about it. It's pretty basic and simple, but I've already used it a couple times and I love the little thing. It's so handy and it doesn't take very long whatsoever to heat your water. So what I'm going to do right now is just give you a little product demonstration. I have 2 cups of water that I'll be using, and I'm just going to add it to my electric water kettle. And fasten that lid back down. And here is the base. And you just set your kettle right down on the base. Okay, for my next step, I'm just going to plug the electric plug into the socket. And here is my on and off switch, so I'm just going to flip that to the on position. And pretty soon you're going to hear this start to heat up and boil. It doesn't take it very long at all. And the little indicator light is going to come on to show that it's heating up and working. And once this gets done, you'll hear that little clicking noise when it clicks off. And your light will go out and your switch will go back to the off position, and then your water's heated and ready to go. See, you can already hear it coming up to a boil, and that didn't take no time at all. And I've probably been talking about 30 seconds, maybe a minute since I hooked it up. So it's boiling. I'm just waiting for the little click off. There we go. There's when our switch went to the off position and our little indicator light went out. So that took what, maybe 2 minutes, 3 at the most. I don't even think it really quite took that long. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Thank you all for joining me. Thank you for watching. Remember, hit that thumbs up, you all. Please share my videos if you feel inclined. I really appreciate every little bit of help I can get. And until next time, guys, bye.